Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to remove someone from a group on WhatsApp. To remove someone from a group on WhatsApp, launch open the WhatsApp application from your mobile device first. Inside the chats box, go ahead and tap open the group. Go to the top of the screen and tap on the profile picture of the group, and then this will open up the group info. Scroll all the way down and get to the Members tab. Select the contact you'd like to remove from the group. In the pop-up, click on Remove from Group and click on Remove once again. Right after you do that, the selected contact will be removed from the group. Remember that you can only delete people from the group if you are a group's admin. After you do that, you've successfully removed a member from your WhatsApp group. Make sure to inform members of any changes if needed to maintain clarity and respect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.